What is up, everybody? It's Bowls O'Plenty coming at you with a little quick pickup from the Dispo today. I grabbed a couple of the 72-hour transdermal patches by Mauve, and then I got a cartridge of the Straw Nana Dream, and I got some of the Grape Blackberry Ziddle Shatter. Then we have some Grape Runts Wax there. The Flathead Sugar Wax there. And the Sour Apple Sugar Wax there. So, Sour Apple, Fathead, Grape Ziddles, Grape Blackberry. Grape Runts, Grape Blackberry Ziddle, Straw Nana Dream, and patches, y'all. Stay up.